Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L130 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now you will be able to see a link that is being attached at the description box below. So please copy it. And the moment you have copied it, please proceed at the window search bar here at the top and press Ctrl V key to paste it and click on enter so that you will be redirected to the result. Okay, you will be able to see the Epson L130. All you need to do is you need to click on downloads and wait until it will show you here. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to click on this driver and it will show you the L130 Windows printer driver. And aligning to it, you can see there a download option. Please click on it so that you can download it. And you can see this one where it asks you to accept the license agreement. So click on accept so that you can eventually start the downloading process. So click on keep so that you can start on this one. So we just have to wait until it will be downloaded before we can continue on the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be able to show it in the location. So you would be able to be redirected to this one. All you need to do is you need to click on this cat icon at the top side of that, close the window as well as this, make a right click here and go with the spaced icon. So the moment you have pasted it, okay, you need to double tap to it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you can continue on this one. Okay, so it's now unzipping the file. We just have to wait until it will be successfully unzipped. Now, please click on OK and go with clicking on this down arrow key and choose the language that you prefer with. In my case, I'll be selecting the English since it is the universal language and most of us could understand such. So go with OK and go with I agree to the license agreement and go with OK once again. And now the printer driver will be installed. We just have to wait for a couple of minutes before it will be completed. Okay, so here it will ask you to, is the printer connected via a network? You can select on this one. Please select this no USB connection. Go with OK. Go with OK. And please choose this one, the USB port. Okay, all you need to do is you need to select among of this three USB port. In my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Go with OK. And we just have to wait until it will be successfully installed here. Okay. Once the driver has successfully completed, go with OK, and that's it. So if you check it here at the settings, so make a right click here at the start icon and go with settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So we just have to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. And here, please navigate to this option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with the devices settings. And here, please scroll down. Okay, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with this option called More Devices and Printer Settings. Okay, the moment you do it, you have just successfully installed the Epson L130 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.